Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to be non-phone, and it is for the well-known financial app Cash App. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting the application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, once the page loads, it kind of looks like this. But if you hover it over it, it will pop up a black bar that says Dispute Specialist Cash App, and this is where it says that it is a remote work from home position. But Cash App is hiring a dispute specialist. This is full-time remote for the United States only. But they are looking for somebody to help customers with dispute processing and maintain internal and external relationships. So what you'll be doing is researching and filing card disputes. You'll challenge the peer-to-peer disputes. You'll reconcile any card disputes. You'll also do fraudulent ACH research and filing, and you'll respond via email to all customer dispute inquiries. So when customers are reaching out wanting to know the status of their dispute, you will respond to them, but all customer interaction is done non-phone through email. Now, they are going to hold you to some productivity standards. The expectation is that you resolve 50 to 60 customer cases a day. Cases have to be addressed within 10 business days from all of the different work queues. You'll maintain all cases to be challenged that are 3 days out or more. And of course, you have to meet a quality assurance guide of exceeding 90%. So you do have to not only do productivity, but also your work has to be up to quality standards. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they are looking for somebody who has a financial or banking industry background, somebody who has the ability to quickly adapt to new situations and thrive in a fast-paced environment, someone who has great attention to detail, excellent time management skills, someone who has a desire for self-improvement of skills, so someone who is willing to learn and keep improving their skills. Of course, you have to have great organizational skills and great communication skills. Now, they're also looking for someone who can be flexible with their schedule to work some non-traditional shifts, including evenings, weekends, and holidays, but they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. Of course, pay is dependent on location. They have it broke down into zones, but the lowest zone pays $24.40 an hour, and the highest zone pays $32.55 an hour. Now, on top of pay, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.